Hello friends, thank you for clicking in my video and welcome to my channel, YouTube channel Ninja Earning Tricks. In this channel we make a video how to grow your online marketing, how to earn money online and how to make money online, how to make a cryptocurrency marketing, how to grow your cryptocurrency marketing, and even a YouTube we talk about how to grow your YouTube channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. When you do that, when we upload a new video, you will be notified. And our today video is that we make a video how to apply for a job, for a NGO's job, non-governmental organization job with a rank position of protocol officer. This non-governmental organization is ECOWAS. You know, ECOWAS is a non-governmental organization, and you want to apply for this job. Just I will drop the link in the description where you go and read the all rule and regulation, roles of position, and so many things about that position. I will drop the link in the description. When you like it, you go and read the fluent description of this job, and you can earn up to, if you are in 5P1, you can add $58 and $250, and if you are, and also if you are in P3, you can earn up to $77,000 USDT dollar. And let us talk on how to apply. Firstly, I drop the link of this where you go and read the full description of this job, protocol officer on ECOWAS. I drop the link in the description. Firstly, when you go to that, you can read how to apply and all. Let me talk some on it. So you can download the Microsoft application form. When you download the Microsoft application form, you can fill it and send to the email address written on, and you can send it to that email written on this screen of this video. So this is a very simple. Go and read the all rule and regulation, roles of responsibility, and so on. Please share it to the others. Don't be selfish. Share it to the others. Thank you so much. I forgot one important thing that I did not tell you to. I forgot to tell you the closing date of this application. This application was closed on 11 April 2022. If you are not applying when the date is over, you are not be able to apply. Just go and apply for this job. I will drop the link in the description. I told you that I dropped the link in the description, and don't forget to share this video to all your social media handles. Don't be selfish. Share it to the others. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.